ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ Kangla Senga Sagatpagi Asengba Pau Launanaba Chatlubada Tourism Department official Amata Leiram Dabadagi Unaba Fanglakidre. Kramjarasi Pau meeting Tabiri Busibutaram Nokchiri Pau Sadona Pizari. Manipur bu tourist destination ama oinaba India ki map te yakhonnaba anoba sarkar ama lakpadagi paikhalakliba thabak ki manung channa Kangla gi mafam singda semga sagati pasigi akupa marol khangnanaba North AOC da leiba tourism department ngasi ayok pung 13 makhai helakpa matamda ISTV news ki paumi ani chatlubada office asida director yauna official amata leiram dabadagi unaba fanglakidre. Diet Taloba Ngamgadaba official Ama Fauba Laitana officer do security Kaktana Ngak Senduna Leramki. National Institute for the Mentally Handicapped Secunderabad State Commissioner for Person with Disabilities Manipur Amadi Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons Manipur na Punna Sinduna Numit Mangani Chupna Chathagadaba Orientation and Awareness Program on Mental Retardation to Special Educators, Resource Person, Anganwadi Workers, Nurses, Students Haiba Awareness Program among asi Manipur Press Club ta hogdokre hogdokpagi thoramda State Commissioner for Person with Disability Manipur Dr. R.K. Kumarjit, Assistant Professor Dr. Mary Anurupa, NIMH ki Special Education ki Lecturer T. Mugesh na Maroiba Mioy Singoy na Sarokya ki Commissioner R.K. Kumarjit na numit mangani chup na chathagadaba thoram asina disabled sing masak khangdok na basu hot na gani haiki.
Mating pangwa institution amani, it is their policy to continue this process in the northeastern area, and Dr. Anurupa requested me to continue this, to do this earlier also. Earlier means we had contacted in the month of July or something like that, because I could not fix with I could not tie up with the government. So lastly, we tie up with this relief center. My thanks goes to relief center, and I hope we will bring this very positive impact to the teachers.
Lamdamasigi mau sadagi lejari bachinjak amadi medicinal plants singbu yokatnabagi pandamda pangthokpa ahanba First Rhizome Festival lakliba January 13 Taramapal Fauba Thaubal District Tekcham Maningchingda leiba Ningtam Inkolda pangthoklagani. Rural Auxiliary for People's Action Lamdingna State Ayush Society amadi Directorate of Ayush Manipur Kutsam Naduna MIDS Horticulture and Soil Conservation ki sponsor makhada pangthokadabani hairi. Masigi matangda Rural Auxiliary for People Action Lamdingi Secretary Laishram Subhash Chandra na haikibada festival asi mai pangna pangthokpa ngamnabagi damak sem saba loire Manipur da yamna tangna fangliba mangkhigadorba pothok sing kanghu yai amuba yai angoba ha khuchapi tekhaw yai khuna chingba pot sing asi puthoktuna miyam da khangangani Pothok sing asigi kanaba sing su miyam da khangangani haiki numit humni chupna pangthokadoriba festival asida stall kya hangduna lamdam asigi mangkhigadorba pothok sing miyam da khangangani haiki
Rhizome Festival 2018 lagliba January gi tang 13 tinga 18 phauba ningtam Inkol Tekcham Maningchingda pangthona bagi siam sabalore asuma thoram asumba festival asida akoina yam tangna Manipur gi phangokpa pothok sing mangkhigador pothok sing kanghu Yai amuba, yai angoba, ha, adu kusapi, adu tekau yaku, adu uri mainambi, hybrid singba item kun mengarom na saruk yak punba, adu mayam tamba festival asli putuk jagani, festival asi Ayush Department Government of Manipur, kusam naraga, rapana sinjaba festival di masida ekoi sponsor to biriba MIDS Horticulture and Soil Conservation na, ating pambiduna, ekoi melas mapukan honajari. Ya, pura maksud lagi birak asumba tang labat festival asi saruga biu hajiri.
Directorate of Education is na thokiba order amagi matung inna Manipur da leriba school khudingmak sarkar gi ayaba yaudana school amata chalaiba yaroi haiba sarkar gi fireb all Manipur recognized private school welfare association ataramna oi Manipur da leriba recognized tawdriba private school singna sarkar gi ayaba yauna school taunana basu association asina khangalakli lamdam asida leriba tongan ba miyoi kyana sarkar gi ayaba yaudana magi tauning mamong da school linkhalakpana maram oiduna niyam chumna sarkar gi ayaba yauna school tawriba kayada chet naba amadi chamam naba pokhale hairi sarkar gi ayaba yaudana chalariba school kayada ming chanduna school kahaluba mahiroi kya tongan ba parikya kayada recognition certificate puthokpa ngamdabadagi ming chanba yakhidabagi wathok kya laikre association ga tana hodaba school sarkar gi policy asina kaiba laklabadi madugi diet association na puroi hairi manipur sarkar na thokliba order asida association gi maikei dagi pangbe aba mateng pangani hairi Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur na lauba Higher Secondary gi parikya thagadoriba mairoi singdagi Thambal Mari College oinamna ka hena fee lauduna sendan lambi chatharakpagi thong yaningdaba phongdoktuna college asigi students union na changsilappa khongjang asi achumbani Masida KSA na mapum fana saugatkani hairi KSA gi cheroles na makhata na phongdorakpada Thambal Mari College na mahiroi singdagi ka hena fee lauduna sendan lambi onthokpadagi hendoktuna Asian Co-Education Kauba Recognition Togdriba School amaga manaraga sel tanduna leire haina sukhangalakli amaromda ngasigi paliba lengak asina amadi mari leinaba authority singna school sing asina maram chadana mahiroi singdagi fee laurabasu karisu khangshindana leithokpagi thong asi khwaidagi laibak thibani hairi Mairoi singdagi school singna ka hena fee lauribasi mari leinaba authority amadi lengak na yengsin bidrabanina education gi loisang leitabaga chap manari hairi ngasi fauba anam kanduna mahiroi singdagi ka hena lokhiba fee sing handoktaba school singi mathakta chap chana KSA na para tambina ba sem sare hairi paugi maraktat na temba bregama
Mama mapana machada piba ngam khwaidagi chawbu khudolsi ichabu mahi tamanbani Slopeland Public School Khongjom Northeast India da khwaidagi chawbu amadi nanba boarding school ni Slopeland Public School Khongjom da ngasimak admission tawbiduna ichabu mahi tamanbiu
Imphal East West amadi Bisnupur District oina makhal khudingi apamba 2 3 amasung 4 wheelers na chingbagi gari guarantor yaudana loan lawbiba yagani deposit tawba numita apamba gari su phangbigani pambiba miyoi singna unabiu Imphal Finance Head Office Moirangkhom Loklaubung Branch Offices Pauna International Market amasung Bisnupur Bazar Bisnupur
Pinasia Coaching Center, the best and only trusted coaching center in Imphal.
Pinasia Coaching Center gi oja singna exam gi sem saba matamda support tawbiki amasung mateng yamna pangbiki exam tips regular mock test suggestions amasung study materials sing yamna janaki class 10 thagadaba singna makok thongba oina bagi damaktadi Pinasia singna amata ngaraba coaching center ni miyamna center sida thajaba thambi
The Blossom School, well begun is well done. Moirangkhom and Changangai campus affiliated to Bosom. Admission for 2018 now open for classes baby to class 8. School topper in SSLC 2017, Janjit Kumanthem 85% with letter marks in 5 subjects. The school recorded 92% pass percentage. A school where children don't study but learn. Contact school office on all working days for details.
Welcome to Salai Institute of Foreign Languages. We're giving you opportunity to learn foreign languages. Admission open program. 6-month courses in Japanese language. Classes start from January 2019. Call us on 9962631124. Just walk in. 4th floor, MTCTC building, MT Avenue, opposite to Nimlavas High School.
Wangkai Ningthem Pukhi Mapal Laiba Career Nurture Center da Lagliba January tang 13 dagi class 9 amasung 10 Boshem Science and Maths ki foundation course hogjaragani. Class ki timing 5 PM to 8 PM. Contact 9402241800 or 0385244949.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
Breaking matungna taram nok cheri hazima khata papau. Imphal dagi more tamna lakhiba Manipur Cycle Riders amasung Green Cyclist Revolution gi team more da thumkre. Team masina Bangkok dagi Myanmar faraga Guwahati tamna chatkigadaba cycle rally ama more da okpa lakpani hairi. Oi thangba khut paralyzed tawraba Binoy Kumar Sahuna luchingba Manipur Cycle Riders amasung Green Cyclist ki kangbu adu Bangkok dagi lakkadaba cycle rally aduga Thengnadana ngasi Imphal thorakre hairi makhoibu more dagi more commando gi OC Tarun Kumar amadi more working journalist ki president Maipak Sanana lamthaki Mamang chahigi December ki tang tara teretagi numit kuni chupna Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ground da Amofa Academy Moirang na sinduna chatharakhiba marirak shuba grassroots non-residential football coaching loisan kre. Loisan bagi thoram da AFC instructor A license holder Sobam Ekendra Singh, India ki Nupi football team ki captain Arjun Awadi Oinam Bembem, Saknaraba football player Renedi, Saknaraba goalkeeper Diraj Yumnam, Amofa Moirangi working president Raju Amadi, Amofa Academy ki president Viran Chingba Mioina Marueba Mioy Singuna Sarukyaki. AFC instructor Sobam Ekendrana football masana da ahongba kya lakle Manipur da su mama mapa kya na angang singbu grassroots tagi football masana da mai onsil lakpa asina lamdam asida afaba sanaroi puthokpa ngamgani haibagi thajaba thamke
Amofa gumba academy natraga club leiba ahlaman football thawaya busingna players singi thiraga sananba masagi stakeholder gi maru oidiba guardians singna yamna hena encouragement pidaba haidinga si uri sumain tawdaba Sumayo na horopa the Masigina stakeholders in Manunga Amo Oriba, Yam Sauba, Yam Maruba component Amo Oriba, guardians in a Hawaii Young Manila Pivasi, Masi Agi, Wakal the Dimasi Yam the Sauba, success Oiba, Lambi the Sanchin Mali and
Saknaraba football player Renedin Haikibada, Lamdamasigi Angang Singbu, Ningtina Semgat Pirabadi, Afaba football Sanaru Kya Putokpa Ngamgani Haiki. Oinam Bembemna, Nupi Singbu, Mapal Tokpa Yadabagi Chatnabi Malerambadu, Nasidi, Nupi Sanaru Kya Thoraktuna, National Amadi, International Gitakta, Medal Kya Loropangamle, Amofa Moirang Academy na Hotneri Batabak Asina, Manipurbu Sanabagi Powerhouse ni Hairibasi, Tungkoina Chatpangamgani Haiki.
Sigi family ne laktana yamna motivation PB duna makoina pamjaba mogi encourage tobiribasi yamna nungai khoi matam dadi sima grassroots development program se ko yaw phangjarakte duga amofa marang na simbi duna grassroots development program se hi khuding simbi basi sumaina sum simbi duna angang sidai hena fal farba dira segumba adi udanta sumamangda dira sedi seniane ma chudum khajana sana bangani mayam si puthopiribasi sumaina puthona ba development program se dum makha chathabada koi mai pak poi view
Bangalore ki Suyasada Pangthokiba Kunnithoi Suba Himalaya Yoga Olympic ta saruk yaduna medal Laurakraba Manipur ki Sanaroi Singbu Thunglabada Yoga Training Center na taram okre Manipur ki team manager Ganga Ningombamna haikibada apunba yoga Sanaroi kun category anida gold amasung bronze medal fanglakle lamdam asigi yoga training center dagi khangatlaba yoga Sanaroi singna Manipur bu yoga gi lamda singthaningai oiba kya utpangamki yoga gi kanaba khangi haina minister officer singna hairabasu national level fawba medal purakpagi thagatpa amasung khudong chaba pbd haina nungai taba phongdokhi
akoina hairiba position lautuna akoi Manipur gi mai porle lonlona hairiba akoi gi seluba team asija akoi gi yamna discipline naiba amasung akoi gi cooperation leiba aduga journey si akoi gi 4 night 5 days ni hairiba su yamna waba journey si the reservation ju bangdabida ari isi kakta da koi chapane adubo akoi ngamoidana khalubani adugo akoi gi chhatra sing akoi sanari sing gi thawai yaujaba amasung official gi Nathmo Shen Katopado, Madonna Marmodana Koi, Harry Potion, Pangzer. Masida Koi government is high take Mata Pangzide, a Koi Sana Lana Patucharaga, Sasabani.
Imphal West Commandona Kha Sanjen Bamaya Lekaigi Mafam Singda Tiba Humagi Tabak Chatabada RPF Pelegi Wahengbam Rajen Koba Chahi Nifu Mangarom Suraba Kha Sanjen Bamaya Lekai Digi Mioy Amagaloinana Overground the Tabak Toba Tiam Ningtemba Koba Kha Sanjen Bamaya Lekai Digi Mioy Aniasi Fare Hairi Amarom the Imphal West District Police na Mioy Ama WY tablet listing Humudra Nitoy Amadi heroin number 4 gram Chaniga Marifu Taruka Konana NG College Maya Digi Fare Hairi Farba Mioy Adudi Nongmai Them Ranjit Chahi Yankai Taruk Haikruzam Nongmai Them Lekai Dagi Haina Police ki PRO na Kangalakli Hauzero Bada Mariba Pau Amukahanna Kangla Semgat Sagat Pagi Asengba Pau Lonana Bachatubada Tourism Department the official Amata Lairam Dabadagi Unaba Fanglakidre Haji Pau Bigan as Pijaba Pau Matanga Shuttle Sinjere meeting Taviri Basing Momukana Kurum Jerry.